What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which is up 2% in the last 24 hours. Again, no major changes. However, we can see over the last day or two it has taken a slight dip in value, so we're going to be looking at what is next for AMP. Is it getting ready for a pump? Is it going to crash back down, and where it's heading to next for the rest of the year, which is about 3 weeks approximately, and going into 2024, what can we expect from AMP? As you guys can see, over the month it's done near about 90% increase, which is incredible. The crypto market has been up. However, over the last 2 to 3 days it has taken a little bit of a dip. Not just AMP, but the crypto market, including Bitcoin, dropping down to $41,000. So let's get straight into it. Before I do that, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, guys, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.003 cents, and AMP is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at just below 0.004 cents, meaning it's still performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. Reason is, over the last hour, the crypto has gained some sort of little pump, which the graph thinks that's going to keep carrying on over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting AMP to be hovering over the 0.004 cents target, so above where it is at the moment, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. But do bear in mind it is likely to hit red candles in between as well, up and down like a wave. But the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So an overall increase in value is what is expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again not looking as steep, but we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are again expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, AMP should essentially be trading around about half a cent is where I would put it for. But again, do expect red days, green days in between, and as I mentioned previously in my previous updates, I am expecting a price correction in the crypto market, which is currently happening. I did expect that last week, that over the coming week or two, there is going to be a price correction, which is currently happening. As you guys can see, most cryptocurrencies are down, but the price correction is likely to carry on over the coming week as well. And over the next approximately by Christmas time, I am expecting Bitcoin to be dropping below $40,000, which should have a slight negative impact in the crypto market. But towards end of December, January time, we should be back up towards the bullish side. So it is going to be quite volatile. It's going to be quite a wavy 2 weeks, guys, ups and downs. But again, by early Q1 of 2024, I am expecting an overall increase in the crypto market. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So more increases in value are expected from AMP over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January and early February. I am expecting AMP to be trading around 0.007 to 0.008 cents in value. Again, if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and if it pumps up, which I'm expecting. However, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated, as I have been uploading regularly on AMP to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect, what to predict, and so on. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for AMP over the next couple of months, and going into 2024 I am also expecting AMP to be hitting the 1 cent target. I know we've been up and down recently, but by mid next year I'm expecting AMP to be hitting the 1 cent target. After quite a while it should be able to hit the 1 cent target, but again I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped quite a lot, guys. 75% down, making it $28 million in trading. Reason is, yesterday it did take a little bit of a dip all up until earlier this morning, so hence why a lot more people have not been trading the crypto. There's been not many buyers, not many sellers. Most people are holding back, waiting for it to either crash further so they can buy the dip, or pump up in value so they can buy it or sell it. So hence why the trading volume has dropped massively. As you guys can see, 24 hours ago the trading volume was about $120 million, and right now has dropped down to 28 million. So yeah, that is quite of a major crash in trading. So those people asking, would I invest into AMP right now, or if I wasn't a profit, would I sell it? At the moment I wouldn't invest into AMP. Reason is, it is overvalued, and I'm not saying it's going to crash back down in value, but the value of it, I don't expect to gain much out of it at the moment. I'd rather invest into a different crypto, and as you guys can see, I would have rather bought it a while back when it was, you know, to this value here. But yeah, AMP personally is not a project that I have invested into it in the past, but I won't be pumping into any more money into it unless it drops down further, and I'm gonna hold on to it for the long term going into next year, the year after. I'm just holding on to my investment into AMP. And if I wasn't a profit, would I sell it? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 invested into AMP right now, I would probably sell about 20%, take out some profit, and keep the remaining 80% going into 2024, 2025. I'm expecting big moves from AMP over the long term as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below what your takes on this crypto. Are you guys buying, are you guys selling, or are you guys holding back? Comment down below. And also, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.